Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Alright, today we are going to unbox two Ellen Wille styles. I normally don't unbox two at one time, but I bought both of these with my own funds from Wig Studio One. They both arrived yesterday and I thought, well, let's just do an unboxing of both of them. That'll be fun. If you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Please like and subscribe, follow along. We have a lot of fun here. And both of these wigs I'm going to unbox today have bangs. So that should be fun too. So let's get started and unbox two styles from Ellen Wille. Alright, the first one we're going to unbox is Ellen Wille Sing Mono. And the color is Mocca Rooted. So really excited to see this. I have seen this reviewed in this color. As a matter of fact, I saw someone else review it and I thought I really want to try that. So I ordered it and here it is. Yeah, this color, Mocca Rooted, is so pretty. Okay. Like I said, both of these have bangs. So when I knew that, when I ordered them, I thought, okay, the first thing I'm going to need to do is make sure I have my hot air brush out because I know I'm going to have to work with the bangs probably. Okay, these are heat-friendly fibers on this wig on Sing. It's part of the Changes collection. It is available in 9 colors. So I want you to see this one. So Mocca Rooted. So pretty. They describe it as a light auburn with light strawberry blonde blended with dark strawberry blonde on a dark root. And I think that is really a good description of this. It does have some highlighting going through, as you can see. Before I try this on, I want to show you the inside of the cap. So this has a middle part. Okay, it is a temple to temple lace front with a middle part. And there's not much room here, so this is going to be probably needing to stay as a middle part. Open wefted. It has an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, open wefted like I said, closed ear tabs, but here is a look at the lace front and the mono part. Now let's try it on. Okay, let's see how this one fits. Okay, it fits me a little large. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. Oh, this is cute, shaggy little style. You know, I like styles that have these kind of choppy ends. I think they're fun. Like I said, this is a mono part and a middle part. So, bangs, sleek. Let's think about permatease. Very little permatease here on the top. A little, but not a huge amount. And at the nape, again, small amount, but a little, but not a lot. This is pretty sleek, as you can see. Lace pretty sleek. There's not a lot of permatease going on here. Yeah, this is cute. Just out of the box, ready to wear. Yeah, I like these little choppy ends. I think they're nice. Now, the front of this is 3.5. I want you to see that. The crown is 10. The sides are 6. The nape is 2.75. And this one weighs 2.6 ounces. All right, first thing you know I always do, I'm just going to give it a little spray of water. And I'm going to loosen my fibers up. When you know you're going to keep a wig and you know you're not going to return it, get your hands in there and pull these fibers away from the cap. Just by doing that, and you see what I'm doing, this is very low density, y'all. The way I can feel it's very, very sleek in the back. So if that's what you're looking for, this is a nice wig for that. Again, heat-friendly fibers. You could add some curl to this if you wanted. But I'm just going to put that little bit of water and pull these fibers out. Now you can see, just with me doing that, that gives this some movement. Makes it have a more natural look. But what I really want to do is work on these bangs. Now this is my Hot Tools. I purchased this from Wig Studio One. I love this thing. I will never be without one. You can use these on regular synthetics because they do not get hot. I have a video that shows how I do that, but they don't get hot enough to hurt regular synthetics. And of course, you can use them on heat friendly, and this one is heat friendly. So it's going to make a lot of noise, but bear with me. Just keep it moving. That's the key to using this little tool, is just to keep it always moving through the hair. And you can see, I'm just running it through here, just bumping these bangs under just a little. I'm not doing anything drastic. I'm just giving them a little shape. You certainly don't even have to do that. It's just something I like to do with my wigs that have bangs. And then just play with them a little. That's all you have to do. Get them how you like them. That is all there is to it. Wow, what a fun little wig. Sing mono. I like that. I would also spray this with a little Tressalure wig wax. Again, always a good thing to have in your arsenal of products. This just adds texture, and that's the beauty of this. It separates the fiber. It adds a little texture. I always feel like this is second day hair. You know how your hair gets a little dirty, it looks better the second day? That's what this does, in my opinion. Yeah, this is adorable. Nice length. Again, 3.5 on the bang, 10 on the crown, 6 on the sides, 2.75 on the nape, and 2.6 ounces. It's super, super lightweight. I really like this. Throw on and go. You saw me. I took it out of the box, put it on my head, and I'm out the door. All right, now let's unbox Ellen Wille Sue Mono and Auburn Mix is the color of this one. This wig's been around for a while. I've seen it, but I've never had it before, so I am curious how this fits. Isn't that a beautiful color? Wow, so pretty. Okay. Oh, wow. I love Ellen Wille reds. I think they're beautiful. This is basically a mix of light and dark auburn, and that is perfect. That is exactly what this is. All right, let's look at the inside of this cap. Okay, this has this is not a mini lace front, but this is a small lace front. Let me show you how far this goes over. Into a little mono feature here. Again, a middle part. Feels like there's some permatease here. We'll see when I put it on. Closed ear tabs, open wefted, extended felt nape. Now, this is synthetic fibers. These are not heat-friendly fibers. So I'm going to give it a little shake. Let's try it on, see what we have here. Like I said, this has been around a while. I just never have had it. Now this is very similar to the one I just had on, right? To Sing. I think you could say these are probably sister styles. One being heat friendly and one not. This one is not. What a cute little bob. Another one. Really cute. Now, let's see about not much permatease at all. About actually the same. None at the nape. Very, very low density. I'd say this is almost exactly like the one I just had on as far as permatease goes. The fit is good. Fits me. Really, this fits perfectly with my 21¼ inch head circumference. I would not have to do anything. Wow, this is adorable. Look at this cute style. This color is so pretty. Okay, again, just a little water. Want to work it through there. Not much, because I'm going to use that hot air brush on it too. But you can see I'm just loosening and pulling away from the cap. That just gives it life. That gives it movement. And now I want to use a hot air brush on these bangs. Again, the key is just keep it moving. Always keep this hot air moving. It's not going to hurt these fibers, but you don't ever want to let any kind of heat sit on a synthetic fiber, or any fiber really. You don't want to sit it there. So just keep your tools moving. Now this works great. Got hair all over me, y'all. But this works good just to bump that bang under a little, which I like. Mess it up a little. How cute. I like it. Again, I'm going to use some wig wax. Now, the bang of this one is 3. The crown is 10, and the other one was as well. The sides on this one are 7. I believe they were 6 on Sing. The nape is 2.5, and I think it was 2.7 over there, and it's 3 ounces. This one is just a tad heavier. But basically, they are very, very similar. Like I said, these are sister styles. Just going to use a little bit the wig wax again. Just a little. Wow, this is cute. I love bangs. I love little fun wigs with bangs you can just throw on and get out the door. So, if you are looking for a wig with bangs, you don't like heat-friendly fibers, look at this one. This is Sue. It's part of the High Power collection. If you are looking and you like heat-friendly fibers, have a look at Sing. It's part of the Changes collection, and it is heat-friendly fibers. This one is not. So you have an option there. And I think that's great that they have styles that are so similar, but yet made with the different fibers. I hope you enjoyed this short video unboxing 2 of these fun styles with bangs from Ellen Wille. Please leave me some comments below. Let's talk about it. Do you like wigs with bangs? I need to do a full video. I need to pull all of my wigs that have bangs and do a video like that. I think that would be fun. If you would like that, leave me some comments below. Have you tried either one of these styles? Let me know. Let's talk about it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.